Hello and welcome to Applegate Outdoors Adventures. An Applegate Jade right here. I can make a piece of jewelry out of that. Today I've come out here to Applegate Lake and I'm going to head on up the Applegate River and see if I could find some Applegate Jade. If I find some Applegate Jade, then I will bring it back to the shop, put it in the saw, slab it up, and make some jewelry in this video. Applegate Lake is full again. There's some common mallow growing in the parking lot. I'll get some of this for my salad. Last year this lake was almost bone dry. I am standing on the California border, just above the lake where the river flows in. There's a road that goes into California. A piece of Heinekenite. Now this little piece right here looks like it might be some Applegate Jade right here. I could make a piece of jewelry out of that. The high water will deposit the jade cobbles sometimes up on the bank when the water is really rushing good. I'll come back here in August. There's a gravel bar right over there in the middle of the river, and it will be exposed, and that will be a good place to look for the Applegate Jade. I see some nice crystals in this rock. Gonna need the boots for this. No, not jade. Ooh. We'll take that one out. Mica schist. An interesting rock. Now there's a piece of some black Applegate Jade right there. This piece has got a lot of cracks in it. I think I'll toss this one back. And there's a piece. See a little green peeking through. That's a nice one. Some glue on that one. And yes, my feet did get wet. Now there will be those who tell me this piece is leverite. But I've got jewelry I made of this rock that begs to differ. Okay, time to hit the next spot. Applegate Jade is actually Bowenite. And I could tell that this is Applegate Jade because it is smooth and hard. So it is a really hard antigerite serpentine that we get around here. Now the other type of serpentine we get around here is the chrysotile serpentine, which is really fibrous and it flakes real easy. It's not the best for making jewelry. Serpentine is not just one rock or mineral, it is a whole group of minerals. Chrysotile and antigerite are two of those types, and Bowenite is a type of antigerite, as is also Williamsite. I usually like to come to this spot on the hottest day in August, and I have made some pretty good hauls out of here, which I will show you my collection a little later on in this video. And I have made some nice jewelry too out of some of these rocks. Okay, so this is the spot that I'm returning to. I was here in the video I did called Applegate Diamonds. And here we have a little bushcraft shelter action. There's a nice chunk of quartz right there. Yeah, this is one of those rocks that I'm glad that somebody left right here. But I will take it. If nothing else, this will make a nice yard rock. And that there is a piece of Applegate Jade. You know those pockmarks go all the way through. They do not go smooth. Now this is another spot where I found lots of Applegate Jade in the past. Although I'm not finding any here today to speak of. This place has become pretty well known over the last 3 or 4 years and seems to be picked out at the moment. I will definitely come back here in August and I will be finding jade in the middle of the river. So here's one nice chunk of the Applegate Black Jade. Nice and smooth and hard. Here's another piece of jade. Not real jade, it's antigerite. But once you see the jewelry, you'll think it's jade. Here is today's pick. Here we have the Bowenite, nice and smooth and hard. This one will probably be translucent in the middle when I cut it. And this one may be translucent too. And possibly this one. These two probably not. And this one maybe. These are all definitely translucent, especially this one. And here is the mica schist. And I believe this is serpentine schist with little mica crystals mixed in. And last but not least, we have the Heinekenite. Well, let's get back and make some jewelry. This is a larger rock of Applegate Jade that I found on my trip to the same spot last August.